an extraordinary speaker who has given the life for the cause of health, nutrition and prevention. More specifically, to promote the wellness industry, wellness sector last 20 years, and treating and curing patients in her clinical practice for more than 40 years. She is known as Mother India for DXN. And this lady and her vision and dream and determination, after having qualified as a medical doctor specialized in general practice and running a hospital for more than 25 years, determined to diversify into prevention is a rare case in the case of any individual to be analyzed. A qualified doctor running a hospital, treating the patients, and to diversify into direct selling and identify a right corporation and the right product to devote the life for the cause of prevention and nutrition is something very rare to be seen in the medical history. Because of her determination, DXN India was born in the month of February in 2000, and as you know that last 20 years DXN has been taken to different parts of the world through the Indian soil by this great lady, giving the training, educating people and helping the lives to be better off in terms of wellness all over the globe. Having started in 2000, no looking back, continuously and consistently working day and night, DXN has reached today more than 180 countries, though DXN is there, but DXN products goes through the network more than 200 plus countries from the network started from India. As you know that today is a great day. It is a World Health Day. On this day, getting a qualified allopathy doctor to present on the topic of prevention and nutrition is something uploadable. And all of you around the globe, wherever you are witnessing this presentation today, I am sure that you are going to learn a lot today, particularly during this hour of critical health situation the world is facing. And I am sure that the only solution for many health problems around the globe today is prevention and nutrition. That is the reason Dr. Ratna Vasupal today is going to give you a talk on how and why nutrition and prevention has become more critical today than ever before. Here is Dr. Mrs. Ratna Vasupal to talk on the subject.
Hello. Hello, good morning, DXN, good morning everybody. How are you all? Hope you are in the best of the health. And already those who are DXN members, they know about the immunity power given by DXN products. And for the last 20 years, most of you are consuming at least some products. And so your genes have got more immunity, and a little diet and prevention of lowering of the immune system you have to bother. So now I would like to come to a little definitions of some terms before you understand, and how our DXN product is very much helpful in prevention of health problems. That's the reason why in many countries who have been using it for 5,000 years, Oriental countries, 10% of the people celebrate their 100th birthday. That was the secret why these products came up, and there are 500 companies. So first of all, today is a World Health Day, and all of you know what is health, you know. But the moment we tell about health, people at the back of their mind think of their doctors as if they have disease. It is very wrong. Health and disease are on the opposite poles. They are the two parts of the train, okay, rails of the train. They should go parallel. They should not be crisscrossing. Then what happens? Accident. So I would like to give some correct definition of health. According to World Health Organization, health means it is complete well-being of a person physically, mentally, socially. Earlier also it was added spiritually, emotionally, but due to some queries by the public worldwide, they cannot show it, that evidence of spirituality and emotional. Those two terms were removed. It's physically, mentally, socially. Okay. But nowadays, all the medical organizations add these two things, integrated medicine. That will give more health benefits. So, according to me as an allopathy doctor, qualified 45 years back, so in my own experience, and I understand that health means it is not mere absence of any disease or disorder, and it is the feeling. Health is a feeling of well-being. What is well-being? Many people may not know. So I would like to explain. Health, we ask somebody, hello, how are you? Whether it is over phone or in other countries or neighbors, how are you? In any language. They say I am alright, I am okay, unless they have taking some tablets or doctor's consultation. So health is a real feeling of wellness, that is well-being. What is the real meaning of well-being? Well means I am alright physically, mentally, socially. And what is B? B-E. B means I. Ing means I-N-G means now. Now I am alright. Because nobody can predict what happens next hour or next day, next minute. Okay. Anyhow, health is the feeling. That much you first understand. Disease is the suffering. Then it lowers our healthy feeling. And we can get that back by going to doctors and getting remedies, especially for permanent remedies, especially for something what we call as a disease. What is a disease? What is a disorder? So disease is one in which the invasion from bacteria, virus or parasites like malaria, like that, it comes from outside the body and it goes to the cell. But once diagnosed, it can be removed perfectly. 99.99% that can be cured. So that's why we have to salute the doctors, maybe of any system of medicine. They have the weapon to clear that. And disease definition is anything health losing by suffering of a disease which clears within 8 months. In less than 8 months is a disease. The body is not at ease. What is disorder? Disorder is metabolically inside our system and it is a chronic one. it takes, it may not get cured most of the times, or it may look like cured temporarily unless you adjust with your diet, drug, exercise, everything. And disorder always doesn't give any problem directly. Over a period of 5 years, 10 years, 30 years, it will give you problem in the form of complications. For example, now in this world, more than 15% of the population are diabetic, as you know. And in case of diabetes, nearly 63% of the diabetics, after 10 years to 30 years, they go in for kidney problems, some problems. And 23% of them go for eye problem, like retinopathy, etc., vision problem. And 15% of the people go in for the complication of neuropathy, neurological, okay, diabetic neuritis, and for which the amputation has to be done like that. And 12% of the people go in for silent heart attack, because the nerves are insensitive, they don't feel the pain, they can't call anybody, most of the times they will not have any help. Okay, so these are the two well-known worldwide complications, and we can prevent this complication through our diet, exercise, and our immune system also. So what happens when our disorder comes? It is not under our control or doctor's control. It is our body system control. So some system are very much spread out all over the body, all the cells. That is the immune system, through the blood. And in the blood, we have got white blood cells, very important for immune system. So there are so many soldiers like rapid action wing, military, ordinary police, like white blood cells, and natural killer, so we macrophages, like, and all these always working. But for them to live, it all of them need good nutrition and timely nutrition and good quantity. So if that is not maintained through our nutrition, by understanding which item gives what more, like that, so then our immune system will go down. And when it goes down, our enemies in the outside of the body, which comes through food, air, water, they will attack us. Okay, that comes in the form of a disease. So then definitely you have to go to a doctor. So what I learned from DXN products, the main products, especially Ganoderma lucidum, and which has 250 items, around 50 items nutritional, and 200 items have some medicinal value. That is not drug-like, it is organic, natural, which we use in our daily cooking also, and which gives us immunity power, like 2 drops of oral polio gives polio vaccine effect. Like that, even though this may be 1 milligram to 4 milligram, when we take daily basis, it will give us more immune power, and that is the main job of these mushrooms, and also spirulina, blue-green algae, which has 147 nutritional item. It is called as Queen of Nutrition. In that, so many items are involved, all types of vitamin except vitamin B2, B12, and 147 types of nutritional items in micro amounts, which are needed for our body function. And vitamins, minerals, amino acid, trace elements, enzymes, coenzymes, all those things. So if we consume daily a little, that will make up our hemoglobin also. Hormone manufacture and imbalance of the hormones will be corrected if we take it continuously, even a little dose daily, 3-4 tablets. And only thing we have to add with it some vitamin D3 and B12 injection at least monthly once. And if you are really vegetarian also, you don't get B12 in your food more. And vitamin C is also very important, 500 milligram daily 2 times. Okay, and how it works for prevention of disease. Health definition, now you know, health is a feeling of well-being, okay, through our nutrition only. And when we have health, we don't feel any suffering or pain, and bodily and mentally we are satisfied. But there is a condition, before some disease comes to us, there is a gap that is called pre-illness period. Most of the disorders, like maybe cancer, diabetes, and other chronic disorders. Chronic means it becomes old. Why it became old? There is no direct medicine to cure it, like diseases. Okay. So before that could develop, it will take years together. 2 years to 8 years, our body metabolic changes will take, and once it takes up, like a submarine, it comes up. Diagnosis happens, then doctors, everything we have to follow to prevent the complication, and of course daily basis. So this Ganoderma, actually most of the DSN products, it will act for immunity by increasing the white blood cells which are pro-immunity production, and that pre-illness period is drawn long so that you enjoy health for a long time. And of course the disease or disorder may come. Once it comes, its severity of the damage to the body system is not that much. If we were not to take a good nutrition, that's very important. That is the advantage. And once a disease comes, we know whether it is surgical or whether it is curable. Okay, accordingly doctors treat and give you relief and you get back your health. So now you understand health and disease are different. And healing takes place because these products have so much polysaccharide which is mainly for healing. And healing will improve when we take more of vitamin C. So before going to this, we must understand one thing, what happened in this world in the last 60 years. The committees formed to find out why a person becomes sick. It is not only polio or other some 10-15 diseases we have developed a vaccine. Why not for all diseases, or the root cause of diseases? How the disease comes to a person, how he loses his health. And the research went on in many countries in the world. And finally, from Vienna, Austria, one doctor, FRCP from Britain, he found out the cause of sickness. That the cause of sickness for any person is mainly stress. What is stress? You know always. If I tell you simple words, it is tension. What is tension? 100 answers will come now. Okay. So I myself will tell you. So stress, tension is a common word, and stress is a medical meaning term. By making understand that stress is something which we cannot perform. We don't have energy to perform, but we have to do that work. By compulsion, it's a mandatory something. So when we do that, we feel weak and we get into disease and we suffer the disease and disorder. So he told, Dr. Hans Selle, FRCP, he told to the Nobel Committee, he proved that 4 types of stress are there. Because of any one of them also, we get into our body immune system goes down, and all other organisms like bacteria, virus, even mind also, emotional imbalance, everything will attack us. Okay. So that doctor presented that in front of the Nobel Committee, and he got Nobel Prize. Okay, till then I never knew about this. Okay, and I was so happy to know that because of the stress only, that is the foundation, root cause of any sickness. And now I would like to tell you very briefly what are the 4 types of stress, how we can avoid that. Or have you got anything in our hand? By taking that product every day, we can avoid the stress. Okay, counter the stress actually. So the first one is our biological stress, that is our body system, whether it is cardiovascular or heart or neuro or hematological, liver, kidney, these 6 systems, because of overworking of them by other problem like high blood pressure, high sugar, imbalance, because of that particular organs suffer. Okay, so because of that, in the long term basis, maybe 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, that organ fails to work. So that system cannot work fully. It is because of overload of the work, actually physically, even emotionally also, mind. So according to statistics in the world, it is proved that 1 out of 13 people in this world are not mentally 100% all right. That doesn't mean that they are mad or fully imbalanced. A little. Some people get angry very early irritable very early, so there starts the problem. Maybe in the house, may not be in the office, because boss has to be obliged. Okay, so because of small things, the mind gets upset. Okay, and this leads to psychosomatic disorders. Nowadays what we see is 40% of the cases are psychosomatic. Okay, and more of psychiatric case also, which cannot be controlled or healed early. It may take a long time. On its own it has to go. Okay, so one is biological, second is mind. Okay, third and fourth are only because of the toxins, half of which are manufactured in our own body. One example is sugar. So according to diabetic associations, the standard measurement is 100 milligram to 150 fasting, so it goes. But this is based on an average count, whatever it is. If it becomes 200, 250, then there will be stress on the body cells because of high sugary liquid, and it cannot manage, and it cannot work also, because there is no energy to digest it by insulin enough, and the cell get damaged, the organ get damaged, the system get damaged. Okay, like that even cholesterol also, it is told that 150 milligram is allowed. Okay, but if it becomes 151, you are 2% more chances of getting heart attack when later, future. Okay, but definite. Okay, and means 1 milligram extra fat equivalent to 2% more chance of heart attack due to block. Okay, so suppose you have 200 milligram, so you may start worrying that you are 100% prone for heart problems, heart block and all. But before that, there are 1 or 2 reasons for a person to die, but it is so sure that he will die because of this thing only. Before that, there are 2. One is accident, one is suicide. It is so guaranteed. Okay, and like that, blood, urea, everything, there are hundreds of biochemicals in our body. Biochemistry tells you which is minimum, which is maximum. And the fourth one is what we take food through our diet, and also what we breathe, air, pollution. Okay, air, water, food. Because of that, toxins. These days, you know, I need not tell, so much adulteration and coloring agent, all those are there. And all cannot go for organic and cannot verify also. It is very difficult unless you grow in your own backyard garden. Okay, even milk also. So these are all the 4 toxins. When it gets accumulated, and as our age goes, our kidney cannot, every year 10%, after 50 years, 10% of our all organs feel weak to work. Kidney is a filter, liver is a filter. So it cannot filter, it itself gets contaminated. So the efficiency will go and the diseases will come up. Okay, that's the reason why in diabetic, 63% of the diabetics will get into kidney problem. Okay, so these 4 stress to our body cells, which are there in trillions of cells, inefficient working. That's the reason why we get into, even after aging, because of aging only we get more diseases. After 70, the reason for death, preferably means it is happening in the statistics. 1 out of 3 people after 70 years will die of heart attack. Another one will die of cancer. Another one will die of angiology. That's a blood vessel problem. Okay. So these things are sure to happen. Even if you live above 70 also, there are problems. Means, but our Ganoderma has so many. It is mainly its work is anti-aging effect of all the body cells, because it can scan and clean the toxins out of the body through urine, motion, stools and sweat, and oil dissolved one through boils, and air dissolved through the expired air. Okay, so that's the reason why Ganoderma has stood the test of the time for the last 5,000 years, because it can dissolve all the 3 types of toxins which are in the body, and which can throw it out immediately within 1 hour to 5 hours. So that's why body is kept clean and body is kept healthy, good nutrition by itself, plus toxins are all going as and when it is above the limit. So the person feels healthy and energetic And main thing is Ganoderma actually it works on the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of our body cells. That's the reason why even a cup of coffee when you take, after 20 minutes, 30 minutes, you feel energetic. Okay, that is the main point here. And you must take it to mind that 95% of the job of Ganoderma is to prolong the pre-illness and its anti-aging effect by regeneration of the cells. Okay, so that's a reason why we must use it, not as a drug for any disease. Drug disease dose doctor, even doctors also have to forget, otherwise they will not become a diamond in DXN. I have got 10,000 doctors following behind me in my network worldwide. I can see hardly 200 leaders who can promote in this way, because even they also think many times, because people ask what is the dose, how much. There is nothing like fixed dose, any amount you can take. It all depends on your knowledge, your faith, your requirement. So simply we say, if the person is, when you ask them how are you, when they say I am all right, fine, no problem, okay, you take daily 3 grams 2 times or once. And when they say I have got diabetes, blood pressure, okay, to prevent that complication you add 1 gram extra or 2 pairs of capsules extra. And of course when they are flat in the bed, of course in the house, like post paralysis and kidney problem, cancer, so for a long time it will be there to give good health and good better recovery. Okay, and regeneration of the cells and good remission in case of cancer, like that. Okay, we have seen many blood cancer patients also living for now 20 years. Otherwise it is a very serious one, and it is a bone marrow factory. Ganoderma is a bone marrow blood factory. It will manufacture blood, and spirulina give you more of iron to prepare hemoglobin. Okay, that's very important. And whatever products we have on the top level, how it works, because people get doubt. So it is something like one medicine for all the disease. It is not at all medicine, but even then it makes the health better. So they feel that the disease is gone, like that. So there is one thing called adaptogen, adaptive quality. Adaptogen is not a item. It is a quality of the working of many herbs and mushrooms in this world. And adaptogen means it is maintained through its products in a microdose our body cell homeostasis. Okay, and if we consume it daily in a very small amount also, our body homeostasis will return back to normal, and you feel healthier, and mainly immune system. Okay, and adaptogen definition I want you to know before consuming it, then only you will believe it. So it is, in a simple word, it is like automatic voltage stabilizer work. That is, when there is high electricity, it cuts it down and protects, fuse off, protects your electrical installation. When there is low, it will withdraw some electricity from the transformer, and it maintains your electrical connections. Okay, that's all. But nowadays, in the last 2 years, the Royal College of Civil Practitioners of 3 countries, Australia, Russia and Britain, they have declared the real meaning medically of an adaptogen quality, or to call anything natural product, of course, which when a person takes it, he should have health benefits, and it must have at least 1 vitamin or 1 mineral or 1 amino acid or 1 trace element, and not harmful. It can be taken by anybody and any amount and any number of years. No side effect. Okay, so adaptogen means it is equivalent. Its job is through the items inside it, whether it is spirulina or Ganoderma or Nonisi, Morinji, like that, it protects your cell function. That is secured cell function. Every house, every bungalow has a security person. Every office has a security person with a gun. So that job adaptogen does. It prevents the damage, and it can lessen the damage to the body cells by supplying nutrition, removing the toxin. So this adaptogen is measured in the units, measuring units of international, IU we say, international units. If you want to compare this with some other adaptogens. One example like ginseng, most of you know, okay, ginseng tea is there, like that people take that also. If the adaptogen antioxidant value of ginseng is 5000 units IU, Ganoderma is 23,000, nearly 5 times more. That's why it is called as king of adaptogen, and spirulina is called as queen of nutrition. It has 147 items in it. So it is all made easy long time back, but only in the last 40 years the world knows, okay, about this. So immunity mainly through nutrition, and not regular nutrition of some carbohydrate like that. It is a supplement, okay, in which micro amounts of that items available, but it should be on a daily basis. So immunity we have to maintain through nutrition and prevent disease or lessen its effect post disease recovery, and healing of the surgical operations also very good in that, and prevent the complication of disorder. So natural immune cells, mainly natural killer cells and T cells, that all will be almost normal always, and when an attack comes from outside, it will become over. That's the reason why you see more of neutrophils in bacterial disease, and lymphocytes fight with the virus. So unless we recoup it, it will go down. Then our immune system will go still down. Then the other organism, if it is a long-term life, it will attack our body. It will take a long time. And you don't worry for anything, dose, any doctor. I am not a doctor here at all. I am a member. That's all. Everybody know this much. That is enough. Okay. But only thing is, even in a small quantity, we must consume almost every day. That's the reason it comes in all forms. It comes in cookies, it comes in coffee, tea, everything. Because people who want to continue in a smaller dose, at least they can continue. Okay. And nothing can replace these items which are natural. There are so many other superfoods also. So that also work in a different way. Okay, this works in this way, and it is worldwide, it is available, and immunity cannot come in one day. That's very important. Vaccination will take its own time. Okay, only for diseases, the drugs. But you should know the culprit, whether it is virus, which virus, whether we have antidote for that. That is a $1 million question, and the time will pass, and if the virus is virulent, we will have the loss. Okay, and this we should take it as a food supplement. What is a food supplement? You must know first of all, because it is not a side dish like salads. Food supplement means, according to 1994 US FDA Act, US Congress Act, they gave the license for any food supplement company worldwide, that anything which can which is grown in your garden naturally, like a herb other than tobacco, and when you use it through your food item, it must give you at least one vitamin or one mineral or one amino acid or one trace element, any one of the four. If I compare that with our Morinji, we have 101 items including many enzymes, which is very helpful for brain and also for liver function. Liver is the largest factory. Nobody knows its real function. They say more than 500 function. So we know only 50 function, not even that. Okay. And the liver is a great organ. It is a blood bank. Heart is only a pumping machine. That's all, mechanically. So that's very good for that, and immune system also, because liver is the main organ for correction of all the toxins which comes inside to send it out. Okay, and Ganoderma itself has more than, according to latest report, 400 items, and everyday research is going on. Okay, and even many items, medicinal items are there in a very small micro dose, that is enough. Just like 2 drops of oral polio, how it is used for prevention of polio disease, 5 doses. Like that, anything given in a smallest dose, micro dose, introduced to our cells. Okay, that memory chip will remember it, and future, maybe 100 years, 80 years, when it comes again from the air, it will be identified and it will be chased away, or its virulence will be less, or it will never stick on to you. That's the idea of any vaccination. But when we give any vaccination, the body should have good nutrition to produce antibodies. We give vaccination, but if there is no response from the body to create antibodies, like training of the police, so nothing will happen. That's a failure actually. So anyhow, that is some vaccines are there, but many new things we don't have vaccines. That's the reason people have to suffer, and they will be in fear. What happens? Don't know. Every day what happens? Don't know. Okay, and after 50 years, 10% of all the organs work less because of aging, and indigestion, liver function will be less. So that is the time when our immune system will go down. So that's the time when we have to take something, food supplements, which gives you more immune system strength, and which should be in a concentrated form. 3 spirulina is equivalent to 1, that is 1000 milligram, equivalent in nutrition to 1 kg mixture of fruits and vegetables. Okay, so because we can't eat 1 kg fruits and vegetables every day, all the people in the house, it not possible. So 3 spirulina is very cheap and good qualitative. You take that, 3 is enough. The dose means approximate. Even you can take more also. Hemoglobin will be made, and a hormone imbalance will be corrected, and many of the cancers in the early stages will not develop more. It will be contained actually. Okay, so there are many methods to maintain our immune system. Immune system is a very big electrical fence for our body cells to prevent anybody invading our cells. And that people actually don't know. Yeah, some vaccine they put, but there are vaccination for HIV also, H1, and nobody takes. And when it is not there, naturally they will ask. So you should explain them. This is called, you have to give them health counseling. It is not consultation. It is not any system of medicine, not allopathy, Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, homeopathy, any pathy. It is, we say it is Gyanopathy. That is, you have to learn how this works, and you have to advise them. Okay, and they will, because it is something which they are eating daily, and as a supplementary one, and it is not very costly. They can make it for the sake of their health, because everybody know health is a real wealth. Okay, both together only you will be happy, otherwise you cannot be happy. And to keep all the organs, so one thing you understand, Ganoderma and Spirulina, especially Ganoderma, is for life. Even a person in the last stages, his BP is going down, so it works on all parts of the body. So its adrenaline will come automatically. At the house only many people have survived. So, but that is not advised, but it happens. Many people in the villages and all, they try it. Okay, so we have this product with us in our company. And there are not less than 9 million members worldwide. 1:10 consumers using, people are using. And I am happy that I am able to prevent many disorders, complications, and diseases, less intensity. And first of all, prevention. Next, even if it comes, it will be less virulent and less damage to the body organs. And they are very happy, everybody. So I was practicing in the same building with my small hospital, and I was thinking, every time that I didn't know my future. I was thinking that whether I am spending my life like this only with the patients, because when they get even migraine headache, of course it is very difficult for them to tolerate, and they will close their eyes and talk to me. I can't see the light, I can't hear the sound, doctor send me early, I want to sleep. That is a problem. Even the suffering should not be life. Okay, health, as we say, it is a feeling of goodness. Okay, so that's a real wealth actually. For that sake, we must see that we don't get any disorders or disease as far as possible. Okay, when it comes to everybody, it may come late to us and less, and it may go back also. So that will be the guarantee. I know DXN members, most of them are, they have got sufficient immunity. We know it. Even dengue fever also came, and without anything, it went away. Many people, okay, we see it. But if you take for 1 year, 2 years, and continue, even minor things, coffee and all also you can come. So the line is immune system through nutrition, good nutrition. You learn about nutrition more, and you have to add vitamin C, especially when you take Ganoderma, because Ganoderma has one item, one of the 5, called polysaccharide. Poly means many. In that carbohydrate, many 5 types items are there. For many health bigger problems, emergency, and when they have to take 10 pairs, 8 grams 2 times, something like that, to break that poly chain into mono chain, which helps for many patients, a quick action, you have to take vitamin C, which is a reducing agent. Also for immune system. So vitamin C, vitamin D3 and vitamin B12. That also you have to substitute. Okay, more from outside. And the knowledge about health is a real wealth. Okay, not actually the wealth is the real health. Okay, it is reverse actually, because we know the value of the health when we lose that. Okay, whether it is a physical accident or anything, deformities, when we have limbs, everything all right, we don't know the value of that. So according to statistics, 15% of the population, they will have physical rehabilitation because of accidents and all other. Of course, that is not avoidable. That is not cannot be prevented. But I am telling the suffering every day. Like that, internal organs also, especially kidney. Okay, and if kidney becomes the victim of, I know it is a filter. It clears all the extra water and water soluble toxins, everything. So basically, Ganoderma doesn't treat any disease. It cleans and keep our organs, especially filters like liver and kidney, clean. So that the filter is clean, the toxin will go out easily, and healthy also, which can work. So that is our job to do actually. So we have to put some time to know about health. Then when we study medical basic MBBS, we spent 5.5 plus 1, 6.5 years. Okay, why? To know what is inside the body, how everything works, when it is at fault, how everything works, what to do, like all those things. Something dedication should be there for your own health. Okay, nobody else will tell you, and we make it a point to explain everything to the new people. Of course, later they have to duplicate it to them. Because in my view, health cannot be compared to anything, and Ganoderma also cannot be compared, because Ganoderma is like a diamond, that too not ordinary diamond, Kohinoor. Okay, because it has got nearly 400 items, and every day they are finding out. Every day they are finding out. And latest, for your information, now many drugs bacteria becoming drug resistant. A drug are maybe adulterated, or a drug may be correct bacteria resistant. And along with genetically modified items also we eat unknowingly. Okay, that all causes multi-organ failure, very important. That's the reason why we have got now many multi-speciality hospital. Okay, not only ICU, big hospital, multi-speciality hospital. Multi-speciality hospitals where all the doctors are available in their system, they take care of that. But time is over, because multi-organ failure, nothing can be done. I see the cause of death, multi-organ failure. Okay, because it is the same thing which works on all the organs, whether it is a genetically modified food items which we take morning to night, or whether we take some drugs really for a need. But we really don't know whether the drug is 100% okay or some part is taken away, replaced, adulterated for the sake of business. We don't know. We believe doctor and we take it. But our kidney is becoming weak and weak after 60, so it will all stay away there. It will all stay away there and damage further. So these are all the things. But only the way is to go for the nutrition by organic way. Okay, organic milk and organic vegetables, fruits. Okay, now the question is, how many people can buy organic? Because it is 3 to 4 times costlier than regular, okay, vegetables or fruits. So that is one question is there. For that, they have to spend more money, whole family. So that's why what I advise is, if you are not able to do that, you please take at least 2 cups coffee per day or 2 cups tea per day, our Ganoderma tea, or at least half a gram, 1 pair of RGGL, this is Ganoderma per day. That will clean that extra things which are not needed. So chemicals. So now this is the chemicals. Plastic is banned, but chemicals cannot be banned because it comes in the form of medicine. And the real good news is, 6 months back, my upline, Dr. Clarence and Dr. Shakuntala, my own MBBS classmates and batchmates, okay, they only introduced me to this by force. Because when he came here June 1999, before this could open, he requested me, you have to help me to open this company. Dr. Lim Seo Jin has sent me to India because I studied here. I just laughed at him. Laughed at Dr. Clarence. I told him, what man, you have come after 25 years of graduation to fool me? I asked him, this piece of wood, this you have brought, I didn't know what it is then. Now you can keep the world health in your fist. Okay, duniya mutti mein hai. Means it's not the question of curing. It will give you health in a better way and prevent health problems. That's way. So he only told me 6 months back that in Singapore they have made research studies. So most 99% of the items medicinal in it is organic, but in a very micro amounts. That is enough for prevention, not for therapeutic, not for treatment. But now of late they have found out, because of so much drug resistance, even 70% of the bacteria won't answer for the regular diabetics, okay, regular diseases actually. He told me scientists have confirmed by their research on nearly 6,000 patients or so in Singapore, it has 2 antibiotics in a dose which can be used for treatment. That is Ganomycin A and Ganomycin B. That is the carry home message. Okay. So I request all my doctors or even patients who has something chronic, like example, one fever, running for 1 month, 2 months. Of course, all tests done, antibiotics given, doctors are there, everything. But you can tell the doctor, this has got this report. It's a natural one, no side effect. Okay, no reaction. Can I add this? Okay. You educate the patient and inform the doctor, ask them to take daily 5 grams 2 times. We have seen in 3 to 4 weeks, both will work nicely. Whether that works or not, I don't know, but this works, I know. This is the latest information. It is not only preventive, some items they have found out now, they are also finding out now, but it is a very complex one. Okay, it will take time. We don't want that. You take it wholly, nothing will happen. You take coffee, tea, capsules, powder, nothing will happen. That is better because it will cover all the body cells in the all the cells in the body, give protection to the body, energy to the body, nutrition to the body, and keeps it clean. Cell is like our house. Every room should be clean. Then only we will have peace of mind. The work will be done. So like that. So you can go to the net also and study Ganoderma lucidum. Gano means mushroom. Derma means the skin of which. Lucid means it is shining like a bright light, like sun. The meaning that when we see anybody, their skin, through the skin only we can find out their health, whether they are 30 years or 70 years or 50 years, like that. Skin shows the health of the internal organs. So like that, for a person who is taking these products, they will be feeling younger, looking younger, enjoying the health. Okay, and that is the advantage, because they will have all the things needed in the quantity required. Okay, and a little money they have to spend, that's all, for the good health, rather than spending for medicine or going here and there, suffering, more than anything, suffering. Sufferings, we should see that as long as we live, whether we live long or not, but we should live happily. So that's why the slogan of our company is health, wealth and happiness. Okay, wish you all the best of the health. Thank you. We'll meet again. Thank you.
Thank you very much. How was that? I think all of you have enjoyed real information on health. Health is the wealth. Nothing can replace health. A qualified medical doctor closing the hospital and starting the wellness promotion is very rare, which you can see anywhere in the world. But this lady took the decision to bring the changes in the lives of many people. And as you know that today, after 20 years of promoting DXN, it has become a really, while we look back, it has become a history. You will have in RVC channel every day 7 p.m. there will be a session by different people who have the immense experience and show the growth not only in terms of business, bringing change in the lives of the people. It is a question of how many lives we touch through DXN. And you can see that people from various fields, it is only an exception, people like Ratna Vasupal who entered the wellness sector. There are a lot of people from different fields who are coming to this sector mainly because they want to make a difference in this industry. Similarly, you are going to see the experience of many people, right from ordinary worker, labor, or a auto driver, or a barber, or a carpenter, or a farmer, to a doctor, or a lawyer, or engineer, or highly qualified people who are coming to this sector. And as you know that today health has become very critical because of various health problems the world is encountering. Tomorrow you will have a person from RVC who is going to present again an extraordinary topic, who is a highly qualified super specialist, is a plastic surgeon, FRCS, who is going to appear tomorrow 7 p.m. in RVC YouTube channel. In fact, there will be a interactive session. He will talk in English and certain questions also will be asked by me. He will reply in English, that will be simultaneously translated into Hindi also. Kindly don't miss the knowledge of such a person who has made a history. Before opening the market of a country, he became executive gold diamond in DXN and going crown diamond in this month, in the month of April, who is none other than Dr. Eapan Koshi, double FRCS, plastic surgeon from Nigeria, and he is from Lagos. He is going to come live in YouTube channel. Similarly, you will have different leaders appearing continuously for the next 10 days or 15 days until the lockdown is continuing. We are also continuing. And as you know that today the prevention has become need of the hour. He is going to talk on that, how prevention is the only solution. And as you see today, in concluding, I want to give you the information on the top 10 highest expectancy of life countries in the world. Because many of the people are thinking that 60 years, 70 years, but today world is racing towards 100 years average expectancy of life. For that I am giving you the example. Hong Kong is the highest average expectancy of life today, 84.7 years. Japan is the next, 84.5 years. Switzerland is 83.6 years. This is the average expectancy of life. Averagely people live up to that year. Singapore 83.7. Fifth country is Italy, which is facing the biggest problem and the highest death today in the world because of corona is Italy, as you know that, which has the one of the highest expectancy of life in the world. Next is Spain 83.4, Australia 83.3, Iceland 82.9, Israel 82.8, and South America, what is that? We can go up. South Korea, sorry. South Korea 82.8. And why I am giving these countries one of the top highest expected above 80 years countries. Now research in the wellness sector, health sector is going tremendously by all the scientists, doctors, researchers, nutritionists, everybody, to see that there will be rise in the expectancy. Taiwan 80.2. This is above 80 years expectancy of life. Next only comes other countries and other regions. As you know that days are not far off. World is going to conquer many diseases. And expectancy of life in the coming years is bound to go. It is not a surprise. Within next 20 years, some of the countries are going to cross 100 years of expectancy of life, average expectancy of life. That is the reason why wellness revolution, wellness promotion, wellness industry's growth is going to be more critical to supply various types of vitamins, minerals, amino acid, trace elements, everything required to the human body, human cell, to keep it healthy, fit, and improving the longevity. Wellness revolution is mainly to increase the longevity, expectancy of life. And expectancy of life, what was that in 5,000 years back, 10,000 years back, or even 200, 300 years back, if you are going to take into account, since the human civilization is known, scientifically recorded, it has been said that even 200 years back, most of the countries had less than 40 or 35 years average expectancy of life. Imagine what a tremendous and the human known history of the expectancy of life. It has been said 10,300 years back, what the skeleton which they have found, dug and found, it is age is 10,300 years. They found that average expectancy of that time was 25 years. 25 years about 10,000 years back to 85 years today. there has been continuous increase in the longevity of human beings. And it is not a miracle where in future expectancy of life is going to touch 100. And we are all working for that. Wellness leaders, wellness entrepreneurs, wellness promoters. We are very excited to promote such products like Ganaderma, Spirulina, Morinji, Cordyceps, Lion's Mane. Whatever products are there which are naturally improving the expectancy of life by supplying the vitamins, mineral, amino acid and trace elements to the human cell, human body, and in turn, once the nutrition load is up, nutrition is improved, our expectancy of life goes up. Disease burden comes down. Our ability to work, capacity to work, human beings, both physical and mental capacity to work depends on nutrition. Nutrition is everything, and nutrition prevents diseases. We have to work for prevention today, because that is the future mantra: prevention, 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 prevention. How many products come to prevent the diseases? That will be boon to the human life to improve the longevity. I am sure that we will be successful in that in the coming years. Wish you all the best. Go Crown. Good morning. I request once again in closing to go to the YouTube channel, subscribe to the YouTube